Apple's going to drop the iPhone Lightning port in favor of USB-C in 2023, claims analyst.
Who's this analyst?
Go ahead, Ryan.
Who's this analyst?
Go ahead. Let them have it. After a decade of Lightning, is it time for Apple to move on? Yes, it's been time for Apple to move on for a long time.
So long ago.
Kidding me with these cables? I don't know. Analysts said, no, they're going to skip over it completely. Now they're backtracking. The same analysts? I don't know if they're the same or not, but it looks like it's Ming Chi. He says, my latest survey indicates that 2H23 new iPhone will abandon Lightning port and switch to USB-C port. USB-C could improve iPhone's transfer and charging. Well, yeah, of course. And they already put it in the iPads and the laptops. Let's get it together. Let's one cable.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm with the same brand, and I can't even have the one cable.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah.
I have
like
one of
iPad.
those.
Yeah.
I have one of those like Anchor with the 2 ports, and I got 2 different cables coming out of it, charging either my MacBook or my wife's iPhone.
iPhone, right?
Unbelievable.
Doesn't make any sense to me.
It's unbelievable what they did to you.
Wait, so this guy, Ming Chi, I don't know how to pronounce the last name.
Kuo.
He is a company analyst, not for Apple though. Like he works for Apple? No, there's no way. Who does he work for?
Will, you want to help out on that?
I think he's just an analyst that's primarily focused on Apple.
Oh, self-exclaimed.
Puts out a little newsletter.
But he has a good track record.
Oh, okay. So he deserves that title.
I mean, if you hit him up on the wiki, he's probably been involved at some point.
Yeah.
Ventured out on his own.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Made a couple of bets. Bets paid.
So he's got
Stuck with it.
credibility is what you're saying.
Oh,
Okay.
Ming Chi comes up on this show 9 times out of 10.
I knew that.
He's trying to say he doesn't watch this show.
Yeah,
Will,
Not enough.
how's that make you
apparently.
feel? How's that make you feel, Will?
I'm okay with it.
Okay, yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Quo said that adopting USB-C will improve iPhone's transfer and charging. Well, we learned that a long time ago on all of our other devices. But the rumor was that they would just skip right over Type-C and do this portless iPhone to prove that they never really should have changed.
Right. They're always right.
Yeah, and it is funny to see them say transfer speed because I don't know if the average person is transferring as much over the cable as they used to once upon a time with iCloud and other means of, what's the Apple call it again?
AirDrop?
AirDrop. And there's so many ways to it. But at the same time, they keep putting out pro model phones shooting ProRes video at exotic resolutions. If I'm going to use this in that type of environment, I'm going to need a fast way to get that stuff off.
Yeah.
I'm going to be sitting there forever. So the second part of this tweet, it's expected to see USB-C related suppliers of Apple's ecosystem become the market's focus in the next 1 to 2 years, thanks to vast orders from iPhones and accessories adoption of USB-C. Well, it opens up the accessory market again because you got to get all new stuff that's suitable for Type-C instead of Lightning. There's so many things on Lightning. As it's like so many accessories that people use that use like what about all the headphones that still use Lightning, right?
Or like
all the AirPods,
like the bedroom dock.
The docks.
You've seen the docks, right?
I've
like
seen
with
docks.
the phone, the watch, and the AirPods.